The user uses this app by clicking one of the three buttons on the user interface. These buttons have the icons rock, paper, and scissors. The user clicks one of these buttons to select the icon they want to play against the computer. The purpose of this app is to entertain the user by playing matches of rock, paper, scissors against the computer. The three local variables I declared in the program are icon, random item, and result. The variables icon and result were initialized to an empty string. The variable random item was initialized to an access list item. The variable icon was updated through an if-else statement that changed the value of the variable every time the user clicked an icon. The variable random item was updated to a random icon on the list every time the user clicked an icon. The variable result was updated through a nested conditional that took the player's and computer's icons to create an outcome. The output my program created was that both the player's and computer's icons were displayed on the user interface. The points were counted when either side won, and there was a statement declaring the winner of each match at the top of the screen. The program chooses which output to display through user interactions with the app, if-else statements, and a random index of a list. The parameters were used in the program as placeholders, so that information could be passed throughout the function. The parameters were used in the if-else statement to decide the icon to display and to decide a winner, and it was used to choose a random number index of a list. The arguments used in the call to the function were the variables icon, random item, and result. When the functions were called, I returned the values inside the variables. Using parameters helped manage complexity because it was more efficient to reuse the code and because it was easier to debug. One area that was difficult was lines 56 to 66. This was because I made a mistake and I couldn't figure out why and where the mistake was at that moment, and why the app wasn't showing the icons on the user interface. The problem was that I was trying to set a new value to the variable icon using a double equal sign, which is actually a conditional operator. I fixed it by changing all the double equal signs into just a singular equal sign.